Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you how I blow dry my hair. So share with you my tips and tricks. And yeah, so this is it right here. And while I do so, I am going to be reviewing the Rosily Professional Negative Ionic Max Blow Dryer. This one right here, you can find this on Amazon. This was sent to me, so thank you so much, Stephanie, for sending this over. And I have to say, guys, I really enjoy this blow dryer. I just want to show you guys before and after pictures on how my hair looked before I styled it. And so this is this morning, right? I washed my hair last night, so I kind of did a braid and I just let it air dry this morning, and I had a lot of frizz, as you can see, so was really scared to try to tame that down. And this is it with after blow drying my hair. And I have to say, I love how silky my hair looks, and it feels super smooth, as you guys can see. And you guys know, with heavily bleached hair, that's very rare to have very silky hair like this. Usually I hold my hair straight, like I hold my hair like this, and my hair just sticks out straight like that because it's so dry. So I'm very happy on how my hair looks after blow drying it, and I have a lot of shine, which I like. I have volume as well, so I usually straighten my hair with a flat iron, and I rarely have volume, and the more I tease it, the more volume I get. So I really enjoy this blow dryer, I have to say. Let me just tell you a few little points about this blow dryer. I have my iPad actually here really quickly. So this is a $69.99 blow dryer. I went over the Amazon store, with I'll link down below, and it is $59 currently. I don't know if the seller is having a promotion, so if you guys are interested. So it's a 2,200 watts blow dryer, salon quality, which is amazing. I think with blow dryers, it's either they suck or not. And I actually really enjoyed blow drying my hair, I have to say. I haven't blow dried my hair in a very long time. Low noise that I did notice. It has a long power cord, which is super handy. And with two concentrators for hair styling, which are the two nozzles, and it is compared to the Chi one, which is a very good brand. So this is it right here. It comes in a very nice box. How cute is that? So the two nozzles are here. It says here you have a year warranty, so that's handy. And you have your two nozzles, and this is the blow dryer right here. Let me take it out for you guys so you guys can see. So let me see. So this is the smallest one. Very nice. Really love how it feels on my hand, and we are matching today. It was unintentional, so yeah. So before I dive into the video, I have to say that I really enjoyed using the blow dryer. Really salon quality blow dry, I have to say. Look how nice my hair looks. I am really happy right now with my hair. Look how pretty my hair looks, and how it's just falling really nicely. So once again, thank you so much, Stephanie, for sending this over. So yes, if you guys want to see how I created this salon quality blowout, just stay with me and let's get started. I guess let's do this. I am going to use the smaller nozzle. So this is the big one, this is the smallest. And because I'm going to be working with smaller sections, I decided to go with this one. I really love the weight of this blow dryer, and we're matching actually today. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, I'm also going to show you my technique. And I always start from the bottom and work myself upwards. Guys, I've lost every single hair clip I own. I've broke them all, so. Let's look at the blow dryer. You have two speeds, if you will, and you have two temperatures that you could choose from. So, and obviously the cooler option right here, which I like to use once I'm done. You want to go over with a cool setting just to lock everything in place, and it prevents your hair from getting any frizzy. So it's very important to actually use this option here. I'm going to be using this brush here, and a technique that I like to do is you always want to try to go upwards and out when you blow dry your hair. Is just going to give you some lift. It's going to give you some volume, so it's always nice to go up like so. I like to spray a little bit of a texturizer on my hair when I blow dry my hair to create more volume, because otherwise it looks flat. So I'm just going to be using this guy right here from Kenra. So I'm just going to go over with this little spray, mainly on the roots, because that's where I want the volume. So let's see how this blow dryer performs. Alright, so this is it right here. As you can see, I have some volume, and it looks nice actually. This is what I like at the end, just a little like twist or whatever. So I'm gonna go and do the other side. So this is it right here. I'm really liking this blow dryer, I have to say. I love the settings. And yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just going to speed up the process. And I will be right back. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to do the same thing. Oops. And just roll this section like so. And pin it. And hold. Alright. So on to the top. Now the top is a little bit different. This is where I like to create loads of volume. So I always blow dry like so, not like vertically, more like horizontally. It's an easy technique to create volume on the root. Wow, I really have to do my roots already. Can you guys see? Alright, here we go, guys. And once I did that section, I'm just going to roll again, wrap up the hair. It would be better if you have rollers. I don't have mine with me, so I'm just gonna do that and pin. Right, I'm just gonna go over with some hairspray. Now on to the next one. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna do the same thing. So doing these little twists like these are going to help create volume in the hair. Alright guys, I'm done with the blow dry. I suggest you get some rolls to keep your hair up like that, because look at mine right now. So let's just undo all these little clips that I have going on. And I usually keep these rolls for as long as I do my makeup. So I do my hair first, put these clips on, and I do my makeup. And once I'm done with my makeup, then I remove those rolls. So you kind of need to brush your hair with your fingers and kind of put these in place as you wish. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of part it on the sides. And you really have to play with your hair. You can comb it as well, but I kind of like to do it with my hands. So this is the final result. I'm just going to put some Moroccan oil on the ends, just a tiny bit. Literally like not much to finish up. Wow, I have to say that this blow dryer really removes all the frizzies because it's super hot and just does the trick, I have to say. Alright guys, so this is the final result and I'm really liking my hair. I have a lot of shine. I have a lot of volume on the roots. That's what I love about blow drying my hair with a blow dryer, obviously, because it just gives me loads of volume. If I straighten my hair with a flat iron, it's just flat, and I just love how much I have volume and shine, and it looks silky as well, which I really love. So I have to say I really enjoyed this blow dryer, and it really did a good job taming all those frizzies, as you guys can see. And my hair looks healthy, and that's what I love about this technique as well, just how healthy my hair looks. So yeah, so I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for sending me the blow dryer, and I definitely recommend this blow dryer. I really enjoy it, so definitely thumbs up. And I will link her store down in the description box if she sent me a link. I'm not too sure. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video and this technique. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Mwah.